Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites: compatible hardware, permissions, charged energy reservoir, and matching firmware. Once confirmed, enable the core module and assign the primary channel. Make sure to set a 0. 5-second safety delay so the system won't surge. Initiate the first calibration sequence at roughly 10% output while watching temperature and current. This prevents damage and teaches the control loop, how the device behaves under real load. Now you move into configuration. Adjust pulse width, duty cycle, and ramp rates to match your application, because timing determines responsiveness and safety. Then map control inputs to output channels and enable closed-loop feedback so the system corrects drift automatically. Once mappings are stable, apply incremental load testing, increasing intensity in steps until you reach operational levels while logging data. This method exposes weak points and lets you refine PID or compensation values to finish, lock the validated settings and perform a full power validation run while saving a recovery profile for quick rollback. Make sure to implement a redundant safety cutoff and schedule periodic self-tests so failures are contained and predictable. If something goes wrong, immediately revert to the recovery profile, inspect physical connections and wiring, and review logs for error codes. Many problems are thermal throttling or loose connectors. Address those first. Then repeat the calibration at
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.